Hello there lovelies, Ashley Michelle here and welcome back to my YouTube channel where you can find beginner beauty tutorials and reviews. And in this video today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a quick and easy tutorial on how to achieve these voluminous pin curls. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Hello there lovelies, Ashley Michelle here and welcome back to my YouTube channel where you can find beginner beauty tutorials and reviews. And in this video you guys, we're going to be doing a natural hair tutorial. You guys, I'm going to go ahead and refresh my curls for my silk press. I did get my hair silk pressed about a week ago and the curls fell because you guys, the weather was getting humid and rainy. So I'm going to go ahead and just show you guys how I curl my hair with the flat iron and do my pin curls so that way we can get this hair back right and popping. Okay, let's jump right into the tutorial. Things first, we're going to go ahead and get my side part back the way that it was. I really don't care if my part is like super duper perfect or anything because I can always go back in and fix it. And I'm literally using y'all as my mirror, so. But I know I like my side part like right here going diagonal on my eyebrow. And like I said, it ain't got to be super duper perfect. Alright, that's cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and clip my hair into different sections. I'm gonna section off this section behind the ear. So this is gonna be one section. And then I'm gonna section off my bang area to the ear. And that is going to be a section. And then in the back I'm just going to split the hair into two sections like this, and the sections don't have to be perfect. I'm just going to take another clip that out the way, and then clip this section. Alright, so we got 4 sections, 2 in the front and 2 in the back, and this is just what the back looks like, so y'all can see the sections. Sections don't have to be perfect. And I'm going to be using the Babyliss Prima Flat Iron 3000, and I am going to put it on the highest heat because I only want to go one pass. My hair is not completely heat trained, so that's why I'm putting it on the highest heat, and I am going to be using a heat protectant to do my curls as well. So today I'm going to be using the Argan Oil Anti-Humidity Gloss and Shine Mist. It says it fights humidity, which is definitely what we need, provides heat protection, and instantly refreshes exotic shine. No petroleum, minerals, or drying alcohol. So this is what I'm going to be using to prep my curls. And I'm actually going to just spray it throughout the section because I don't want to weigh the hair down either. So I'm going to take a section down, grab the spray, and y'all, I'm also going to add like a pea size of the Design Essentials Silk Essentials Thermal Strengthening Serum too, because I just want to make sure that we ain't getting no heat damage at all whatsoever. So I'm going to lightly mist the Argan Oil one throughout my hair, and it does smell really, really good. And make sure I get the ends because my ends are very, very resistant. So got that throughout the hair. And then I'm going to take a little bit of the Design Essentials, like literally a pea-size amount, not too much. Make sure I concentrate it on the ends and get it through the hair. And I'm just gonna finger section off. I'm gonna do an inch size sections just so I can have the most volume in my curls. And actually I can make that section a little bit bigger. So 1 inch to almost 2 inch size sections. And then I'm gonna use, let me actually cut the flat iron on. And y'all, it's been a while. It's been a while since your girl has done some flat iron curls on herself. So I may be a little rusty. Don't go on me too hard in the comments. Don't get me too hard in the comments, y'all. But I am a little rusty. I haven't done flat iron curls on myself in a long time. So we're gonna go ahead and see what your girl got going on. But y'all, I really do hope that this comes out good. We gonna see. We gonna see. Cause I'm that girl. I just really love this setup. Like, yes, I love it. Y'all give me a thumbs up. Matter of fact, comment down below some pink hearts if you guys like this new lighting setup. Y'all let me know. Let me know. And again, I do got it on the highest heat of 465 because like I said, my hair is very heat resistant. And yeah, so I don't know if I want a mirror in here so I can see really good. But anyhow, so I'm gonna take the flat iron and I'm gonna do my curls going away from my face. So placing the hair at the base and then I'm flipping it over. Okay, first curl, it's okay. It's the first one. Alright. So we're just gonna keep going, you know? We're just gonna trust the process. That's the first one. So I'm gonna do another inch size section. And again, I'm curling the hair going away from my face. Alright, so now that I have about a decent size curl, I'm gonna go ahead and just wrap this up around my finger and then still pin curl the curl going away from the face. And I'm gonna use a bobby pin to secure it in place.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you I know how to
So we got all the pins in, and I'm gonna go in with the Design Essentials Diamonds Oil Sheen Spray just to lightly spray the curls. And I'm gonna come back tomorrow and show you guys the takedown process and what they look like. And I'm gonna wrap my hair up with about 2 to 3 different scarves, just so that way I can have much protection, as much protection as possible in the shower. So I'm gonna come back and show you guys what they look like once I take them out. All right, y'all, so it is the next day. I let my pin curls sit overnight and all day today. So I'm gonna go ahead and just start taking them out from the back and just taking out the bobby pins and letting the curls just drop as they come out, if they want to drop. Hopefully they're not like super duper tight, but if so, I definitely can like just comb them out a little bit. And today it wasn't too humid, so I'm thinking we should be good. I did wear a scarf all day today too, so I wasn't playing. I wanted to make sure that these curls are gonna be on point. Alright, y'all, so this is what my curls are looking like, taking all of the pin curls out. So I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I can see, but I can't see as good as I want to. So let me grab a mirror real quick so that way I can make sure these curls are getting fluffed out the way I want them to. So I got a mirror so I can see, and I don't know what it is, something about these combs. I always remember these combs when I used to get doobie wraps when I was younger. It's something about this comb. When you gotta comb them curls out, you need one of these. Like, I don't know what it is about this comb, but I feel like this is the best one when it comes to getting your curls out. And y'all, if y'all want to know the details on this makeup look, let me know. I didn't record it, but if you guys want the tutorial, let me know. Okay, soft glam with a kiss of blush, period. Okay, anyways, let's get back to the hair. So I know I want this side like going away, so I'm gonna use the wider side to kind of like comb, and I'm gonna use a combination of my fingers and the comb to kind of like get the curls to go in the direction that I want them to.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty handed.
I can use like a smaller comb when it comes to like my front and my bangs.
Get down and dirty, act like a bad guy. You want some love, be like when you feel it calling midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep.
Here are the final results. Y'all, she's giving body, she's giving classy, a little bit of sexy. Like, yes, I am super duper excited about how these pin curls came out. You guys definitely let me know down below in the comments if you like this method, or just share some of the tips with me, you guys, for letting your pin curls last and be nice and voluminous. You guys, like, ooh. And you guys also just let me know if you guys want to see more natural hair videos like this, or what other type of natural hair videos you guys want to see on my channel. Definitely let me know that down below in the comments. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and share this video with your beauty besties so we all can look fabulous together. And you guys already know what to do. Remember to stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay safe, and stay poppin'. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.